So I just got this Toro time cutter, 0 turn, and I really like it. One thing about it, why I got it a little bit cheaper was the starter is bad or failed, you know, whatever you want to call it. The starter's pretty much done for. And I just want to make this short video to kind of show you what it sounds like for anyone that, you know, doesn't really know a lot about this stuff. It's pretty similar on a vehicle too, so far as noise. In this case, it would be pretty simple. The starter's over there. I was told you can just unbolt the old one and rebolt on the new one and just hook up a couple wires. It should be pretty simple. But anyway, this is the sounds that it makes when you have a bad starter. Hear it spin. And sometimes, and I'm not sure if it really helps, but sometimes if you like slightly move this, I'm not gonna be able to get it to move now, even just a little bit, it does help. And I can get it to start. In this case, it's not completely bad, but it does take quite a few tries.